In the morning of November 23rd, Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union Center, Cần Thơ City's Friendship Union, Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Association held a talk entitled Experiences in Organizing Operations of Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union in Localities. Present at the workshop was Chairman of Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Association Center. At the talk, delegates listened to report on organization and operation of the association, operational orientation and common type presented by Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union. Delegates also shared opinions to raise performance of the cooperative exchanges between the two countries. Speaking at the talk, Chairperson of Cần Thơ City's Friendship Union, Lê Thị Thanh Giang, asserted that Cần Thơ City's Friendship Union is always accompanying with Cần Thơ City's Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union to maintain and think up more active operations. She called on Singaporean counterparts to come to Cần Thơ City and get to understand about investment cooperation opportunities and bring the cooperative tie with Singaporean counterparts into depth and practice. Besides, Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union should give advices and propose efficient solutions, crucial mechanism, while expanding further developing its sub-unions and Cần Thơ City's Vietnam-Singapore Friendship Union.